We're Aptiv. We're a technology company based primarily in the automotive sector. You may have heard of us doing the driverless cars. We do all of the technology and the interconnectivity for the safety features in the cars. I've travelled from the UK, which is where I'm based, and my team's based in Krakow.
So I'm representing the Krakow team. I feel amazed what we achieved this year, and I think we can do it much better next year, I hope. And I am also surprised with that award, especially that was exactly my project, which I'm very happy with the results and what we were able to achieve during this year, and hope for greater achievements.
I think it's just a fantastic event. Credit and collections is normally a thankless task. It's always the next thing, what have you done, what have you missed? And actually having the time to reflect and celebrate all the individual successes, the collective successes, the teamwork that happens to actually make through all these successes and adventures is just amazing. And it's really good to share that with other like-minded people and to have that recognition and to see just the faces, the smiles from everyone when they get that recognition, because it's not often that we pat ourselves on the back, so it's good. This is my particular second time, and you know, each time it gets better, your network grows, you get more confident with the people that you're meeting, and it's really good to bring new people and for them to actually have the exposure and to start listening to all the subject matter experts, the people that are around the technologies, the new developments, and to share those experiences.
I think that's my fourth time representing Aptiv and achievements we have. So it's great pleasure because every time I meet new people and sharing the experience, which is I think the most important, to know how other people dealing with the daily issue we also shared. So yeah, I think that's the most important right now.
It's been amazing. It's tiring. You have to put in to get out, but it's really, really amazing when you make those connections and just having those like-minded conversations and just actually a little bit of fun with the teams as well. I mean, that's just the best thing.
Yeah, you can also remember that work also is a fun, and this part is the fun thing when you can represent the company and see the results you are giving to the company, they pay with the prices and the titles.